Alright, what's up everybody? We're back again, Munchies with Gonzo. Gonna make some more food and shit. And see what's up, the homie invited me to a catch and cook again. Or, well, we're gonna start that again. I'm a little too loose. Alright, so hey, what's up everybody? We're back again. I'm gonna make some munchies again. And the homie invited me to a catch and cook, so God only knows what that means. I can only assume, to put it simpler, that, we're obviously gonna catch and cook some shit, but I'm not entirely sure what. I don't know if we're gonna make some duck or whatever. I doubt it, we're not that barbaric. Yeah, we're at this pond, there's a bunch of ducks and shit, and stove cooking. And oh shit, we're gonna make that. That looks good, some fish and chips and some fries. Yeah, that looks good as fuck. If you tell me. Excuse me. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I haven't had some shit like that in a minute, kind of reminds me of Cane's, but Cane's obviously serves a chicken and shit, so forget that. All right, so one thing y'all should know about me is that I never really get store-bought food shit. Shit. We're gonna try to, I guess, catch some shit. I see some fishing poles in a fishing net, I think, and yeah, I'm kind of worried, because I don't even know if I'm gonna pull this off. Yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go gear up and shit, catch some fish and shit. So, gotta see what's up. Alright, so we got the fishing pole here. I think it's stuck on me. Damn, this shit long as fuck.
Daddy, chill.
This is worse than like knitting. Wow, it's like a year. Look how long this shit is. I'm gonna reel this shit back. This shit is not doing nothing. It's not really doing much though. I don't think this shit worked, bro. No, yeah, man. I don't know how to fix this. To be honest, I fucking forgot some bait. I just realized, so fuck. We're gonna have to improvise and some fucking chips. So I don't know, I'm gonna try with this one. Got this chip lying around.
You think this shit will catch some fish or no?
I don't know. I don't know. We got it. We got it. Alright, so we finally got this shit down. Got this fishing net. SpongeBob vibes, you already know. Oh, it's not that deep. It's right here. There's rocks right here. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna try to catch some salmon with this Cheeto I got here. Let's see. This shit got fucked up again. Uh-oh. Some technical difficulties. I can't get this shit down. Alright, 1, 2, 3. It's just floating. It can't even go down. Pew, pew, pew. Oh my.
So what's your game plan now?
Might just jump in there myself. Catch a fish. I want this shit to like drown. Sit down, fucker. There we go. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so fuck this. This shit ain't working. I'm gonna try to catch the fish myself. This shit cold as fuck. Yeah, nah, fuck this. I don't know. I had to go in there myself, but I didn't come that prepared. Nothing. Nothing. Man, I'm tired, homie. I'm sick and tired of this shit. I'm gonna get some ducks. After many failed attempts, I've come to terms that I cannot find shit or get shit here. I went against my own advice and bought some fucking store-bought filet frozen fish, you know. I don't even know, but I couldn't help it, you know. I was over that shit. Alright, so for today's ingredients and all that other jazz, and I know I said if you don't got oil in the bag, I can't trust you, so you know, I guess I can't be trusted or whatever, because you know I resorted to this, the OG oil. So my bad, but you know I didn't have no fucking bag on me, so you know, fucking, so sue me. And anyways, we got some salt here, some paprika. I've never even tried paprika. I don't even know if I have, but I don't think so. Got some garlic. Garlic's alright. It'll do, you know. It'll do. And then we got some, I think, more paprika, cause you know one bottle wasn't enough, I guess. You know, 2 potatoes, looking nice and good right here. You know, shit. Got some flour here, I think. Yeah, this to peel the skins off the potatoes, I think. I've never used that before, but you know, there's a first time for everything in America, so I'm gonna see what I can do, you know, try to make some fucking food. You know, so good luck to me and pray for me. Alright, so we're about to start now, and first things first, I'm gonna, you know, heat up some oil, you know, to obviously, you know, turn on the stove, turn on the stove, and then, yeah, just, you know, get some oil in there, let it, like, boil and whatnot or some shit, heat up, and then maybe, well, yeah, you know, put the fish in here, the filet, and then, yeah, I can't remember what else. I'm trying to think of like how it goes in what order. Cause I don't know if I'm supposed to like. I think I am. Yeah, I'm gonna see what's up, bro. Cause I'm gonna trip out if I fuck up, or I don't know how it comes out. Cause we only have 2 of these and I'm starving. Yeah, I'll probably put it in the cap just to be safe. Just dump a little bit there. That is a little too much oil. What else? I'd YouTube what to make next, like, or what to add next, but I'm not sure. I don't even think I want to. I almost cut myself. Once again, do not try this at home. I was 80% sure that you could open this with just your hand, but I'm trying to add some flour in this bowl if it don't fucking fall out. Ow! Fuck. Little bitch.
So you've never fried anything before?
Nah.
Definitely think you're gonna need more oil than that, though, G.
Yeah, right. To be honest, I don't know if what I'm doing is correct, but it looks okay. I mean, whoops. See how that goes.
So you definitely needed to wait more.
Yeah, whoops.
This is not even hot, bro.
There goes fish number 1.
That shit's just simmering in there.
Are they telling us shit?
Taking a hot bath.
I think I'm doing terrible, to be honest. I don't even know what the fuck. Can't believe I never asked like any of my peers and my family members like how to cook fish. I'm gonna ask them next time. I so needed guidance for this. I came hella unprepared. This is probably like the only thing I've never cooked, which is actually fucking hilarious to me. I've done like rice before, which is stupid easy, and you know, other shit. Just not this. Got a little too fried. It's all good, it still looks good as fuck. So I've never even peeled a potato before. I'm not even sure how this works. Okay. I cut myself. Yeah. Well, this is easier. It's fucking dripping. Yum. I'm gonna eat that. I'm that hungry.
Look at them, they're talking to you.
Fuck you. Fuck them ducks. Alright, here's our first potato. I'm not sure how I want to cut these. Jesus Christ. Like went through the fucking board. Whoops. And to be honest, you know, as funny as it may seem like how I'm cutting this shit, as long as I'm like making y'all laugh and shit and just making y'all forget about what the fuck y'all been through, that's all that matters, you know. That's the point of this. Alright, so right now we're gonna dump the fries. And then there's a bucket of, I think, oil. It looks like water to me, but I don't know, we're just gonna try and do that. Got that all in one take. Alright, while we let those marinate and shit, we're gonna, you know, get some batter and, you know, some seasoning up in here. I'm gonna get a little guide through it, you know, some help this time, so hopefully this goes a little better. I believe it will, you know, go a little better than, you know, before. At my first attempt, I swear to God, man, it's not even that bad. I kind of fucks with it, but I would have wanted it better. Yeah, that's good. I'm adding more flour and seasoning and garlic. Oh shit, this shit's going everywhere, man. First street, sheesh. That took me back to some time where I was just chilling with the homies on some parking lot roof, like top type beach shit. and some fools pulled up on us and, you know, threw up their set and shit, and I was like, you know, like I give a fuck. I was just trying to fucking chill there with the homies. And to make somewhere better, we're gonna add some beer, you know, you already know. See what's up. Yeah. Apparently this dish comes from Britain, a little FYI, so. What over here was Saint Laurent down. I wasn't even British, I was thinking hood. So we over here enjoying our little, you know, wet batter. You know, making some filet with some of my mates. And
yeah, cut on that one, G. I'm gonna just stop it right.
you know, man, if they aren't, I'm gonna be so sad because I'm looking forward to some good ass. Ah! Alright. Let's fucking get this fish all up in there. Jesus. Oh my. Just popping out, folks. Put that little sucker in there. That look good. I'm gonna try to put this pupper in there. That looks good, ladies and gents. That looks good. Whoa. Alright, so I think the fish is ready, so I'm gonna try to take it out. Put that right there. Hey, I told you, dog, you had to put some shit in it, dog. Alright, so we're finally done with the fries and shit. You know, they're finally done boiling and whatnot, and some oil. Taste test. Try a skinny ass fry.
How's it tasting, bro?
It's good as fuck.
Smoking, man.
It's that good. Now for the fish. That's just so fucking good. And yeah, that was it. So basically, you know, after we just finished that, didn't get no luck with catching no fish, which fucking sucked. But it is what it is, you know. You just have some of those days. It's just one of those days. So yeah, you know, here you go, your fish fillet with fries. You know, it's not that bad of a dish. It's pretty good for the summer. You know, maybe making some food in the park. And yeah, catch y'all in the next one.